Hello guys, in the last video we have seen what is the requirement to declare main method as a public. That point we have seen there, where I covered some few points about these points here. The main intention of declaring main method as public is to bring main method scope to the JVM in order to access main method. As we know, main method will be accessed by using by JVM only. JVM can access this main method. So because of this reason here we need to declare that main method as public. So if we declare main method as private, that main method will be available up to the respective class only. If we declare main method as default, then that main method is available up to the respective package only. If we declare main method as protected, then that main method will be available up to the present package and the child class is available in other packages. And if we declare main method as public, then only it is available to the respective JVM directly. Why? Because JVM is not available in the same class of the respective main class. Main method JVM is available in Java software in a particular package directly. It is available there. So to bring main method scope to the JVM, we have to use which one? Public. Then after that we have seen few points about it. If we declare main method without public, then what will happen? Up to Java 6 version one conclusion, up to Java, right from Java 7 version another conclusion there now. Up to Java 6 version we are getting a message like which one? Main method not public. That message we are getting, but right from Java 7 version onwards we are getting a message like which one? Error colon main method not found in class tester. Please provide the main method as, please define the main method as public static void main string array args. These things already we completed there in the last video. Now in this video we are going to see another question. What about this another question here? That will be like which one here? What is the requirement to declare main method as a static? What is the requirement to declare main method as a static? This question here we are getting there. What is the need to declare main method as a static? After understanding its reason, then we will think about it. If we declare main method without static, then what will happen? These are the various points here we are going to understand clearly now. What is the requirement to declare main method as a static? Understand it clearly now. The point is which one there? The thing is which one? We know already the importance of the static methods. The importance of static methods is which one? We can access the static methods by using class name and as well as by using which one? Object creation. But in general we are going to access main method by using class name, not by using which one? Reference variable. We are going to access this main static methods by using class name, not by using which one? There no reference variables. Understand it clearly now. So the point is which one here in this scenario? The point is very clear. In Java applications, whenever we declared a method as static method, whenever we declared a method as a static method, then that method we are going to access by using which one? Class name, not by using which one? There no reference variable. Okay, why? Because that is suggestible thing. Of course both are possible. We can access static methods by using class name and as well as reference variable, but always it is suggestible to go for which one? There no class name. If we access static method by using class name, there is an advantage. What is that advantage? No, it is not required to create object for the respective class. If you are not creating object for the respective class, automatically heavyweightiness will be reduced in our application. If we create objects, heavyweightiness will be increased. If you are not creating objects, heavyweightiness will be reduced clearly. So this is what exactly the point why we can take the advantage of the static keyword. So if you declare any method as static and if you want to access that method, always it is suggestible to use which one? Class name instead of creating object. If we create object, automatically heavyweightiness will be increased. This is what exactly the point here we have to recognize. Now coming to this particular context, coming to this particular point, what about my question here? My question is, what is the requirement to declare main method as a static? This is a question here. Answer for this question is very clear. First of all, tell me, who is going to call this main method? Who is accessing this main method? JVM is calling main method. JVM is calling main method, not any other one. JVM is calling main method. That's fine. JVM is calling main method, but how JVM is calling main method? How it is possible for JVM to call this main method? Right. To access main method, JVM had some predefined implementation. As per the predefined implementation of the JVM, JVM is accessing main method by using its class name. JVM is calling main method by using its class name as per its predefined implementation of the JVM. Okay, you know already in Java applications, when it is possible to access a method by using class name? When it is possible to access a method by using class name? If we come for this point, answer is very clear. We are able to access a method by using class name whenever that method is declared as static. Then only we are able to access that method by using class name. So here also what is the point? JVM is trying to access main method by using class name. So when it is possible, whenever main method is static, then only it is possible for JVM to access by using class name. Understand it clearly. For example, if you want to execute our program there, what we are going to provide there? Java space test we are able to provide. When we provide Java space test on command prompt, JVM will take this main class name from this command prompt. After that, JVM will access main method by using this class name. Here already class name is available. By using this class name, JVM is going to access the respective main method. So JVM is using classing to access this main method. So definitely main method must be which one? Static method. Why? Because in Java J2EE applications, only static methods are eligible to access by using class name. Because of this particular reason, we have to declare main method as which method? They know, static method. Good. In this case, we are going to have one more question. What about this question? Why JVM was prepared by some people like that only? Why JVM was prepared in such a way to access main method by using class name? Why it was prepared in this approach only? Why not by creating object for main class? Why not by accessing? Why not by using reference variable? Why JVM was prepared to access main method by using class name only? What is the reason behind this? Might be that some people has to give answer for this particular one. But as per my analysis part, as per my thought, to make JVM as lightweight component, to reduce heavyweightness for the JVM, to reduce burden to the JVM, to make JVM as lightweight component, to provide lightweightness to the JVM was prepared in such a way to access main method by using class name, and given and one convention to all the Java developers, must declare that main method as a static like that. The JVM was prepared by some people to access main method by using class name in this approach. Why? Because to make JVM as which one? Lightweight component. If object is created to access main method, definitely somewhat heavyweightness will be increased here. Whenever, maintaining an object is nothing but which one? Somewhat burden that Java application has to take now. So in this particular scenario, to make JVM as a lightweight component, some people have prepared the JVM to access main method by using class name. This is what exactly the reason why that might be that some people have given this type of implementation. This is what exactly the meaning of which one? Main method and static. Only one simple point. To access main method by using class name, that is a predefined implementation of the JVM. To access main method by using class name, then main method must be declared as which one here? Static method. This is a point here we have to understand clearly now. It's okay, sir. But I have a question now. What about my question here? If we declare main method without using static, then what will happen? If we declare main method without static, then what will happen? We need to analyze this point here. If we declare main method without static, then what will happen? Right, sir. Now if you want to come for this, just I'll go for some points here now. Class test here I have taken there. Public static void main string array arch sysnot outward println enough. Here I want to provide which one here? Java application execution, or maybe just I want to provide which one there? Main method syntax checking. Now just we have to save this one, test.java. Now let me compile and execute this. Now here javac space test.java compiled successfully. Java space test, javac space test.java, java test, and now here what we are getting there? Main syntax checking, main method syntax checking. Just I want to write like this. Main method syntax checking. Right, sir. Now here we are able to get the same output. Java C space and tester.java compiled successfully. Java space tester. Here we are getting main method syntax checking. It's okay. Now my point is which one can? I want to declare main method without having static keyword. I declared main method without static keyword, then what will happen? Observe this clearly. Versions wise I want to give some clarity. Up to Java 6 version, one type of conclusion. Right from Java 7 version, another type of conclusion here we are able to get. Now let us understand this. Up to Java 6, which type of conclusion here we are getting there directly. Now let us check this directly. d:/core Java. Now if you observe there clearly, Java C space test.java. Now first of all Java 6 version I want to use there. Java 6, here we are setting that path now. Java C space test.java. Right. Now here we are not getting compilation error. Even though main method is declared without static, but still we are not getting any compilation error. Okay, fine. Why we are not getting compilation error actually? I said you previously also, compiler will not give any priority for main method. Compiler will think main method as a normal ordinary method. Compiler will check main method syntax as like normal Java method. Compiler will not give any priority for main method. But JVM will give importance for main method. JVM will treat that main method as a special method, and JVM will execute that main method as a special method only, but not by compiler. In compiler point of view, main method is an ordinary Java method. Okay, fine. That's why even though we have not declared main method as static, and still compiler is not giving any error. Why? Because n number of methods we are able to declare without static keyword. Static keyword is not mandatory. Without static keyword we can declare that method n number of times. If I go for Java space tester, in the case of Java 6 version, then what is going on here? Now here we are getting an exception. Which exception here we are getting there? Exception in thread main, java.lang. No such method error colon main. Java.lang. No such method error colon main. Here we are getting there now. So exception thread main, java.lang. No such method error colon main we are getting. In the case of this, which one here? No. In the case of this Java 6 version directly. It's okay, fine. Now the same thing I want to use in the case of Java 7 version. Observe carefully. Java 7 version here we are providing there. The same thing here I want to provide. What about the Java 7 version content here? Java C space test.java. Let me compile this. Java C space test.java. Right, sir. Now just we are compiling this program here. No compilation error. Again the same point I am telling there. Maybe the version is Java 6 or Java 7 or Java 8 or Java 9, Java 10, Java 11. Nothing. Compiler will not give any priority for which one? Main method. Compiler will treat main method is an ordinary Java method. We can declare ordinary Java methods without static keyword. So compiler will not give any error clearly. No. Next one is I want to run this program. Okay, compiler is not giving any priority for main method. Compiler will think that main method is which one? Normal Java method. That's fine. But JVM must give priority for main method. JVM must think that main method is which one there? Is a mandatory method. That means JVM has to give priority for this main method. JVM has to think it is a special method actually. So now JVM must think it is a special method here directly. Now. So whenever it is thinking it is a special method, definitely JVM will search for main method. If main method is not available there, definitely we are able to get an exception directly. Now let us check this clearly what we are getting there. Here we are getting an error message like which one here? What about this error message here we are getting there? No. Error colon main method not static in class test. Main method not static in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array aux. Error colon main method not static in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array aux. So this is an error here we are getting there. Previously, when main method is not public, we got a message like which one? Main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array aux. But now here we are getting which one though? That message is very much clear. What was that message here we are getting there? Error colon main method is not static in class test. Main method is not static in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array aux. Here we are getting now. So this is what exactly the story behind which one static keyword inside the main method. So up to Java 6 version, if you are not providing that static keyword with the main method, simply an exception message here we are able to get like which one, java.lang. No such method error : main. But right from Java 7 version onwards, if we declare main method without static keyword, now here we are getting a message like which one, main method not static in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main string array args.